Well, today was a fabulous day. It was beautiful and sunny, nice and warm. And it wasn't just great for drying my herbs, it was fantastic for drying my Shankleesh. This is a new batch I've been making, and it didn't take long at all. Dried up during the day, and now it's ready to roll. So come on with me to my kitchen and let's roll it. Okay friends, everyone keeps asking me how do I make my Shankleesh, and the truth is it's no secret at all. Thanks to nature, we were able to dry it quickly today, and hence the process. Okay, Shankleesh now got to be kneaded together and salted and seasoned before it's rolled and coated in oregano. Okay. So it needs good salt. Okay. Now it needs chili. You can coat it in chili flakes, and you can put chili powder throughout. But right now this is what I've got on hand. Here I am. So I'm going to be kneading it through. This is coming together beautifully.
It smells so good.
It does smell wonderful. It was basically goat milk, made it into yogurt. Then I waited for about 4 days before I actually cooked it on the stove to make my curdles. And then I strained it, as you would have seen.
Yeah, on our Instagram.
Yes, and I let it drain. And I squeezed as much moisture as I could, but still wasn't enough. So today was a good day, fabulous day. I was able to put it out in the sun to help it dry further. Okay, so basically now all you do is roll it. And here I've got some oregano. Okay, but if you know me, you like herbs and spices, so I'm going to add some Italian herbs as well. Here's my Italian herbs, and maybe some black pepper as well. But I'll do that later because I'm a bit busy right now. These are the oreganos that I dried a few days ago. I'm going to add lots of Italian herbs to it. This is optional, of course, but that gives it that special signature. Okay, and I found it needed more salt. It's always good to taste. And chili flakes. This is a good mix. Okay. Then you pack it. Some people like to freeze it, but there's no need. Just pack it like this, top it up with oil, and that's all you do. Ready. So here you have your Shankleesh balls. Now if I have a good day outside, I could still put them in the sun to dry further. Otherwise, I can just put them in the jar like I have shown you here. Top it up with oil. Lovely vegetable oil would do. Doesn't have to be olive oil. Top it up and enjoy when you want to. So here you have it. Shankleesh balls.